a mask. That plea tonight from New Jersey's largest hospital system, asking visitors to put on masks and also recommending staff members do the exact same thing. RWJ Barnabas Health is also recommending staff members mask up.
Meanwhile, New York State also now says flu is prevalent, very prevalent. State officials now requiring workers in healthcare settings to wear masks as well. Infections from all common viruses are going up, they say, from flu and COVID to RSV.
Just in time for the holidays.
Yes, exactly.
Here's Eyewitness News reporter Stacey Sager.
On the count of three.
Not too late for 3-year-old Kyla here at Valley Stream Pediatrics getting a flu shot. Dr. Mark Lashley of Allied Physicians Group here on Long Island wishing all his patients would do the same.
I'm very concerned that the flu vaccine rate has dropped. It's really plummeted.
The latest vaccination numbers from New York State and the CDC not encouraging. As of last week in Nassau and Suffolk, the COVID vaccination rate was a little more than 6%, whereas nationally it's at 20%. As for flu, Nassau and Suffolk reporting fewer than 22% vaccinated, when nationally the flu vaccination rate is more than 38%.
So having low rates of vaccination, particularly for daycare and kindergarten children, is a very big concern. Those kids, as we know from lots of other studies, are the ones who bring flu home to the rest of the family.
Experts say it's vaccine hesitancy and vaccine fatigue since the pandemic. That's what's been driving these numbers down. It's been the case for quite some time with the COVID vaccine, but now with other vaccines as well. In addition, doctors on Long Island telling us RSV cases have now reached double digits at most Long Island hospitals. Kids getting the virus at a higher rate here than across the country.
It's really probably 80% of the sick visits that we're seeing right now.
RSV.
Yes.
While there is no RSV vaccine for school children, there is an injectable antibody for infants, which, unlike a vaccine, can prevent the virus immediately and therefore prevent more serious illness. The concern, if parents don't take more preventive measures, it's enough to make even the Grinch cringe as we approach the holiday travel season.
For the next few weeks, they're going to be sharing that RSV with all their family members.
And so they say, better late than never.